Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Perfume, My Passion. Friends, today's topic is how to create oud blend or oud formulation. Many of my subscriber friends ask for formulations or ingredients used in oud because many of you wants to create their own blend of oud, or you can say Daniel oud in their own style, or they want to make their own Daniel oud perfumes. So natural oils are like number one, cypriol oil, or you can say nagarmotha oil. Number two, cedarwood oil. Three, patchouli oil, sandalwood oil, and the last is guaica wood oil. Now synthetic ingredients. The first one is cashmeran, then galaxolite, then capinon, isoesuper, isoeugenol, benzoin, timbrol, labdanum, likewise many more. In synthetic ingredients, the list is unlimited, infinite. There is a lot of synthetic aroma oils which gives are used in agarwood. So now we'll start the experiment with the natural oils. So here is the combination number one. First we'll take nagarmotha oil, that is cypriol oil, cedarwood oil and patchouli. Just write the quantity, then we'll make the experiment. Nagarmotha oil 10 grams or 10 ml or 10 drops. Cedarwood oil 3 ml 3 grams or 3 drops. Patchouli oil 5 grams 5 ml or 5 drops. So we'll start the experiment. Now nagarmotha oil 10 grams. So we'll take nagarmotha oil 10 grams. Nagarmotha 10 grams. Okay, so I'll put here to make the compound like this. Now cedarwood oil, that is 3 grams 3 ml, so I'm taking 3 ml. Cedarwood oil 3 ml. Cedarwood oil 3 ml. And now patchouli oil, that is 5 ml or 5 grams, so I'm taking 5 ml. Here it is ml. This is patchouli oil. Fine. Now we'll stir it. So this is a one blend. Combination number one is ready with the ingredients of cypriol oil and cedarwood oil and patchouli. With the three ingredients, we just created one oud fragrance, very near to this original one because the content of cypriol oil, as I have told in my earlier videos, that cypriol oil is quite or very natural or very close to the natural Daniel oud. It smells like Daniel oud. So this is the one blend and very easy. Now what happens actually, this is the one combination, then I'll give you another one, second combination, fine, with different oils. I have just taken 3 oils just to make it easy. Rest you have to practice at your own side. So this is one we have made. Now we'll make another one. Now combination number 2. Again with the natural oils. First of all, we take the guaica oil 10 grams, 10 ml, 10 drops, whatever you like it. Second is vetiver oil, which is 5 ml or 5 grams. And third is sandalwood oil, 2 grams, 2 ml or whatever thing. Right? So we'll start the experiment on this combination number 2. So 10 grams guaica oil. This is guaica oil 10 grams. Yeah. Then vetiver oil 5 ml. So vetiver oil 5 ml. Here it is vetiver oil 5. Now sandalwood oil 2 ml. So sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil 2 ml. Okay. Again I'll start with this one. This is a combination number 2, contains guaiacol oil, vetiver oil and sandalwood oil. This blend is quite different, not I would say very different from the combination number 1, but still it's a oud fragrance, very close to oud. It has a different kind of oud fragrance where it has contains the base and middle note. Fine? Because in the first combination where we have used nagarmotha, cedarwood and patchouli oil, the important thing is that only nagarmotha is citral oil is the only oil which works as a top note, even as would say top note also, whereas cedarwood and patchouli works in a middle note and base note only. In second combination number 2 is guaiacol oil base note, vetiver oil middle and base note, sandalwood oil totally base note. So basically this combination number 2 will give you the strong medium and base note, a very light fragrance, but the stability of this fragrance will be very high. Fine. So I have shown 2 combinations, combination number 1 and combination number 2. We have noted down the ingredients as well. Now combination number 3 is again nagarmotha 5 grams 5 ml whatever, and sandal oil 2 grams 2 ml whatever, and again the myrrh. There is a resinoid sort of myrrh compound which is not very oftenly used in oud, but is it's a part of the combination of whenever you start to use this natural oils. So myrrh it gives a certain type of benzoin sort of note. Fine. So myrrh is 1 ml. It has a fixative as well and a very good note, woody and benzoic note which required in the oud oil. Fine. Sorry. So we'll start again with nagarmotha. Here it is, the nagarmotha is 5 grams or 5 ml. So we'll take nagarmotha 5. Nagarmotha 5 ml, then sandal oil 2. So sandal oil here 2 ml. Sandal oil 2 ml. Now we need the myrrh oil. We have a solution of myrrh oil. It's here. 1 ml. So this is your combination number 3. Fine. Now this combination number 3 will take a little time to mature, that is at least 24 to 36 48 hours, and as goes on the fragrance will be more beautiful, more stronger at the middle and base note, because all the materials which is contained over here maximally is sandal oil and myrrh oil is of base note, because myrrh is a very low velocity, so it will take time to mature. So this is the combination number 3 of oud oil, friends. Fine. So today we have given you a 3 combination of oud oil, many different names of the natural oils, but all the natural oils are having us woody fragrance. But the important is all the oils have a different kind of woody notes. So the combination of different compounds with different characters of wood make the compound. Now it's up to you how good you can blend it. So friends, I end this episode as part 1 here, and we'll see you in next video. So in my next video, we'll experiment with the synthetic natural oils. The combination of synthetic natural oils will make the compounds with the help of the synthetic natural oils. So friends, by that time, practice with these materials or whatever the materials you have at your home. Fine, and leave your comments. Okay? By that, take a good care of yourself.